So okay, how we do this again? This is our unboxing video. So yes, we have in front of us the Poly Voyager 360 Plus UC. These are work buds that are certified by Microsoft to use on Microsoft Teams. You can use it in Zoom, so it's definitely work buds, but there are so many more things this thing can do. Let's get into it.
Technicational.
Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Technicational. My name is Peyton Wilmot, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Poly Voyager 360 Plus UC. These are work earbuds, and boy, the feature list that I read online for this is pretty deep. Now, to get something out the way, these were actually sent over by Poly for review, but my views and my comments are my own. They're not persuaded or influenced in any way. So let's get back into the unboxing. Okay, so once you open the box, the first thing that greets you is a charging case wrapped in a QR code. We're going to put that one side and figure out what that's about later on. Now, deeper in the box, you have a white box. We're going to look on that later as well. Now, in the bottom of the box, you have more papers and booklets. All right, you know what? Let's just get right to what we need to get to. We're not going to even look on that. Okay, so the first box we go attack is the white one, and inside you can see you have different size ear tips that are replaceable on the earbuds. So if your ear hole big or your ear hole small, you definitely can change it to fit your needs. Yeah, it's all wrong. But anyhow, deeper in the box you have what kind of ungodly thing is this? A headphone jack to type C. I forgot looking at on the booklet for that. Anyway, and after that you have USB type C to USB type A. Well, that's used to charge the charging case, and there's nothing else in there. Moving on. So apparently this QR code that's wrapped on the charging case is to use to actually find the app to pair with your phone. So you just bring out your phone, scan the QR code, and it will carry you directly to the app to download it on the Play Store. Pretty nifty feature. So let's get to the meat of the matter. Right after you get the wrapper off the charging case, you will realize, firstly, yeah, this is not a small charging case. Not at all. But the second thing you will realize is that it has a touchscreen display on top of it. Now, when last you have seen something like this, a touchscreen display upon a charging case for earbuds? I should say, have you ever seen this? Huh. So I'm not going to lie, with my limited time just unboxing this right now, I can see that the touchscreen is not a gimmick. It has a whole lot of menus and sub menus you can actually go into and change settings for the earbuds. So you can turn on and off ANC, you can turn up and down the volume, you can change tracks, and a myriad of other things. I mean, I have to take my time and review this because this is some feature packed shit.
Oh my god.
So you remember the app there when I actually install for use the earbuds at the beginning? Yeah, I'm going through some of the features just to get a thing started, and I can tell you from now, yeah, this earbud is highly customizable, and the features in the PolyLens app is, yes, it's daunting. There's a lot of things you can go through and edit and fix and manage, and you just have to see it to believe it, and it's going to take me a good while to get accustomed to so many features in an app for an earbud. Okay, so let's get right back to the meat of the matter, the charging case and what's inside it, which is the earbuds themselves. Now, the earbuds are pretty well done. They look robust, they look premium with metal, plastic, touch sensitive areas and buttons. Yes, all of that is on these earbuds. I just really hope they are comfortable, so stay tuned for the full review to find out that part of the story. Now, also inside the case, tucked at the top, is a USB dongle. And you might ask, why the hell would you want a USB dongle up there? After reading, I realized it's a Bluetooth USB dongle that's supposed to plug into your computer to make the computer actually work with these buds if it doesn't have Bluetooth. Next level shit.
Stop talking shit.
So there you have it, folks, the unboxing of the Poly Voyager 360 Plus UC. And if you're interested in this, the link is in the description. If you want to buy it for yourself without waiting on my review, go right ahead. And thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you guys for watching my content. And yeah, baby, I'm back. I might be a little more mature, no, but I'm back. Okay, so thank you guys, and until next time, peace.
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when the sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.